Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the place where we bring you the best in motorcycle reviews, gear, and riding tips. Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting bikes in the off-road world, the KTM 350XV. Known for its versatility, power, and race-ready performance, this bike has earned its place as a favorite among enduro riders and off-road enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned racer or someone looking to tackle tough trails, the 350XF could be the perfect bike for you. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this machine a true standout in the world of off-road motorcycles. Power and performance. At the core of the KTM 350XF lies a 349cc 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. This motor delivers a smooth and strong power band that perfectly blends high-revving performance with manageable torque. The 350XF strikes a fine balance between the power of larger displacement bikes and the lightweight agility of smaller bikes, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of riders. With approximately 58 horsepower on tap, the 350XF is more than capable of tackling steep climbs, rough trails, and even faster sections of open terrain. It offers impressive throttle response and the kind of power delivery that makes it easy to navigate both tight, technical trails and open fields. Whether you're racing in an enduro competition or simply riding for fun, the engine provides the right amount of power when you need it. Handling and agility. What sets the KTM 350XF apart from other bikes in its class is its exceptional handling. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and precision-engineered suspension, the 350XF offers unparalleled agility on both technical trails and more expansive off-road tracks. The bike weighs in at just around 106 kg, 234 lbs, making it easy to handle in tight corners and over challenging obstacles. The WP Explore suspension system, 48mm front forks and rear shock, is designed for off-road excellence, offering 12.5 inches of travel in the front and 12.2 inches in the rear. This means you can expect excellent performance over rough and uneven terrain, providing a smooth ride even when the trail gets bumpy. The suspension is fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune settings based on their personal preferences and the type of terrain they're riding on. With its near-perfect combination of stability and agility, the 350XF is built to inspire confidence in riders, whether they're attacking steep climbs, negotiating tight switchbacks, or flying through sand dunes. Technology and features. The KTM 350XF comes with a wide range of advanced technologies designed to maximize performance and rider control. One of the standout features is KTM's ride modes, which can be tailored to suit different conditions. Whether you're tackling mud, sand, or rocky terrain, you can adjust the power delivery and traction control to match the environment, ensuring the bike performs optimally in any situation. The bike also features traction control and map switch capabilities, giving you more control over the engine's power output in different conditions. Whether you need a more aggressive map for fast riding or a more controlled map for slippery or technical sections, the XV has you covered. KTM's electric start and PEDS, progressive damping system, rear suspension ensure reliability and ease of use, while the bike's hydraulic clutch offers smooth and precise shifting even in challenging off-road situations. This makes the 350XF a race-ready machine straight off the showroom floors. Ergonomics and riding comfort. A bike like the KTM 350XF, you'll be spending a lot of time on varied terrain, and KTM has ensured that comfort doesn't take a backseat to performance. The ergonomics of the 350XF are designed to keep you comfortable and in control for long hours in the saddle. The seat is firm yet supportive, providing just the right balance for long rides without feeling too stiff or uncomfortable. The bike features adjustable handlebars, so you can customize the riding position to fit your style and preferences. This level of adjustability ensures that riders of all sizes can find a comfortable setup, whether they're standing on the pegs, through rough terrain, or sitting to take on a long section of trail. Conclusion. In conclusion, the KTM 350XF is a true powerhouse in the world of off-road motorcycles. With its race-inspired performance, cutting-edge technology, and unbeatable handling, it's clear why the 350XF is one of the most popular choices among off-road riders worldwide. Whether you're looking to race, explore new trails, or simply enjoy the thrill of off-road riding, this bike is more than up to the challenge. Thank you for joining us on this review of the KTM 350X Fear on Biker's Choice. If you're looking for a bike that delivers performance, reliability, and all-around fun, the 350X should be on your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and all things motorcycle. Until next time, ride hard and ride safe.